Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here, and today I'm making chili. So this is how I usually make this, and the first thing you're going to need is a pack of Carroll Shelby's chili pack. It's right here. Get that, and you'll need 2 pounds of ground beef. This is a little bit over 2 pounds here. So, I got a 28-ounce can of crushed tomatoes, and can of kidney beans, and then for the spice part, I'm gonna put in slice up 2 jalapeños, and I'm also going to just go ahead and throw in a bag of these. Most of the time I'll use this, or I'll use cut up a pepper and onion myself. So, but I'm going to go easy way tonight on this. So, well, let's get this started. Oh yeah, man, I think I forgot 2 cups of water. So we're gonna get this started. Enjoy it. This is gonna taste really good. So I'll see you guys here in a little bit, and we're gonna get going here. Okay guys, so to get started, first thing we're gonna do is open up this bag of the peppers and onions. This is a little bit lazy, but I don't want to sit there and cut them, but we'll just throw that in there and get them cooked up a little bit, give them a little bit of time. And as they are going on, we get those going, we're gonna rinse these and cut these up and throw those in there. So, and we'll just put these off here. And you can put the peppers in there if you don't want to. I like it a little hot, so that's why I put peppers in there. And just slice up your jalapeno peppers like this, and while you're stir the other peppers while they're thawing and stuff in here. Now, it's just a save on this. If you want to, you can use the pickled jalapenos. Now take some of the hotness out of the peppers. If you want the flavor of the jalapeno peppers, you can take the seeds and the middle part out. Now I'll take most of the hotness out of the pepper, but since I don't mind the hotness, I'm going to leave the seeds and stuff in there and just cut it. Otherwise you can dice them up. So this is going to be good chili here. I'm only going to put 2 in there. I got 4 peppers, but only 2 I'm going to put in there. I'll find something else to use the peppers for. Okay. Now, we'll let these start to brown and cook a little bit, and then we're going to put the meat in. So let me give these a few minutes. We'll let it cook. So we'll be just right back. Okay guys, Well, we got the peppers and onions cooked. Good, pretty good, starting to clear up. So now we're going to add the meat. So just break up your 2 pounds of ground beef. And start getting this browned up. And the peppers and onions will still continue to cook. There we go. We're about a little over 2 pounds. I normally use about 2 pounds for this. Make a good meal for the family, and also if you're like me, make a couple of meals for your work week. Alright, get that all good and mixed in there. Alright, while this is cooking, getting brown, should take a few minutes for this. I'll see you guys in a little bit while I cook this going. Okay guys, I got this browned. I'm gonna drain the grease off of this and put it back in here. So let me go ahead and do that here, and then we'll start the next part of it. Let me just unplug this. All right. Alright, we'll set this back over here. Let the grease drain a little bit. Get all that grease. Alright, after you get the grease off, it'll kill the fat content down quite a bit. Put that back in there. All spread out. Then you want to start building with your other stuff here. We're going to go ahead and put in the water, and then we're going to start putting in the spices and stuff. Get it mixed in here. So. Alright, well, get these spices mixed in here. Alright. Get them mixed up as their thing. There's some cayenne pepper if you want it. I usually don't put that in mine. Sometimes I do and sometimes I don't. Also in these packets you'll find some mesa flour. That's corn flour. That goes in to thicken it after a little bit. So, and we'll get all the sauce mixed in here. and pour in your kidney beans. Get them mixed in. All right, now it's getting it going pretty good. And one last part here is going to put in your crushed tomato. On the box it says tomato sauce, but I found out over the years that the crushed tomatoes work better, makes it a little bit thicker. And or you can even use tomato paste, but I like using the crushed Canada crushed, and that works good. Okay, now we get this all good and stirred up in here, and what we got to do is put the lid on it and let it simmer for a while, let it cook. I got this at 350, so we're going to put the lid on here and just let it cook for about 15 or so minutes. And I got some rice on. You can't have chili without rice, I just think. So when that's going, put that on here and let this sit. Alright, well, I'll see you guys shortly when this is ready to go. Okay guys, I have let this simmer. It is done. It's good, thickened up. So I already got a bowl of rice here, so we're gonna put this on here. And on here, I'm just gonna, later on I'll put some cheese and some sour cream on there for topping, but right now this is what I'm gonna taste right here. So here's the chili. I'll go ahead and turn this off. So let's go ahead and give this a little try here. A little bit of the there, we got a little bit of the everything here, and here we go. This is good. Alright. Some good chili. If you want to, you can put some sour cream and cheese on this. I always put mine over a bed of rice. Makes really good chili. So you guys can make it up any way you want, add stuff to the chili itself. This is just my base. So you guys can comment below. I'd like to hear what you guys suggest, and if you've liked it, try it and like it, let me know. Okay guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. I do cooking videos like this. I try to get one out every Saturday morning. I also do some taste test videos, some sightseeing and adventures, and just some regular old blogs. So I just want to remind you guys to enjoy the day that the Lord has given you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. And I'm going to enjoy my dinner now. This is some good chili.